Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change phone number in Zoom. So the first thing you do is sign into your Zoom account. Now you can do that using the app on your PC, or you can go online through the web, which is zoom.us or us05web.zoom.us. Now I'm here on, this is the home page. Next I'm going to do is I'm going to look to my left. So look to your left, right here. Then you see some options. Click on profile, because we want to change our phone number, and that phone number should be in the profile. So next you can see no profile pic. Don't worry, I'll also do that. And then over here, mobile, you can see the phone number I put there, the wonderful phone number I put there. So now we have to edit it. So you want to change it, you click on edit. So you can even add more phone numbers, but if you just want to change it, just click on edit. And then you choose a label. Let's say the label this time around I want to use is office. I enter the phone number. Alright, don't forget that it will be verified, so be careful. Okay, let's see, what phone number should we put in to be verified? Okay, alright, then we click on continue. Your settings have been updated. It is as simple as that. That is how to change phone number, even though I didn't change mine, but you need to change it. So you put in the new phone number you want to change into. That's how to change phone number in the Zoom app or online. So that's it. Don't forget, you can delete it if you just want to get rid of it. You can delete it by clicking here, or you can add that phone number by clicking add phone number, putting in the new phone number. That's it. It's as simple as that. You can see just change to office. So hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this which we put up every day. Thanks so much, guys. That's it for today. See you in the next one. Bye bye. In this case, bye for now.